Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my Lollipop Box Club kit for February, and it is Best Friends. That's the theme of the month. I am so excited to have a look at what's in the kit and make a journal layout, create a journal layout with you guys. So I'm going to put this video as ad gifted because, as you know, this is sent to me by Lisa, who owns the Lollipop Box Club, as part of the creative team. So as usual, you'll see a zine. Each kit will have a zine. It has loads of tips, tricks, and lots of information about the Lollipop Box Club, Patreon club, kit tips, most of the time it will come with a recipe, easy recipe that you can make. So here is the zine this month. Love the journal prom. I love this. Best friends are people in life. Yeah, I love that. Love this kind of like cut apart journal card, and there's a sketch here. I might play around with the journal sketch this month. I'm not a sketch follower person. I always struggle with it. But I think it would be a good idea to kind of like follow a journal sketch this month for a change. Kit tips, and this also comes as a January digital kit. So yeah, where is that? So that's this is the Patreon info where you can find Lisa, the Lollipop Box Club. We have crafty zooms for the Patreon peeps. Yeah, so you kind of like get the gist or like the theme of and color scheme of the kit just by looking at the zine, really. And that anyway, let's open this up. Oh Ooh, love the blue and red combo again. Okay, so first up, in this little kind of like glassy type bag is blue stapler. That's gonna be so cool to use in your spread. Love color staplers. Do use them sometimes. I do use staplers sometimes in my journaling or like attaching stuff. Yeah, love that. You get a this is so cute. This is a lovely charm. Again, what I tend to use with the charm is either attach it to the spine of my journal, like a journal spine thingies, like dangly bits, or I use a pin to pin it on a tab, a fabric tab on the page. So how cute is that? I might attach that to the page. I'm not sure. I'll see how I feel when I create the journal page. Okay. Love this journal guard. Don't be afraid to start. Love it. And you get like little, this is so cute. Envelopes with little kind of like note cards on them. Oh, I love these. They're so like pink, red, and blue combo. It's really cool. Nice blue little envelope again, and then you get stickers. Oh, I love that. Friends for the family you choose. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love the stickers. So you can see the kit is kind of like journaling, geared towards more journaling, but you know, you can use the kit contents to your heart's desire. The possibilities are endless, really. It's your creation, you know. Let your creativity run wild, as they say. So then in this little baggie you get stickers, little ribbon stickers there. That's so cute. Heart ribbons. Oh, I love this, like felt hearts. You get a few of them. That's lovely. That's like four. Put 4 of them. Oh, that's cute. And then in the little bag, oh, this is a cute baggie as well. So most of the things in the kit you will be able to reuse, like this little baggie. You can put some bits and pieces in it. Oh, I love these oh my goodness, my brain, my paper clip arrows. Look at that. How cute is that? I'm gonna put them there for now. Lovely. Then you get, oh, I love, oh, is this a I think this is a stencil. Yes. Oh, you can use your ink, you can use your watercolor, you can use your if you've got texture paste, you can do a pattern in your page, but I think my texture paste has gone hard. But yeah, that would be great. That would be a lovely, lovely background thing. A little baggy, pink baggie. Love, love, love this little fabric. Again, you can make a mini book with it, like a mini journal. Oh, a little trim. Oh my days, this is so cute. Tissue paper. Oh, that is so cute. And then you get your papers. So with your papers, you get this like monthly label thing and your cut apart card. Yeah, oh, I love it. And this is the paper. Oh, I love these. Get 2 of these. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. This is cute. You get 2 of these as well. Oh my goodness. Get a it's like a thick kind of like cardboard with little pink hearts in it. And oh, you get these. This year's goals, my wish. Well, that's for another kind of like journaling. Okay, I have a confession to make. So as you can see, we're in a different day. It's so frustrating. Technology is so frustrating, and I think it's the universe telling me to go back to posting regularly. Anyway, I'm so sorry that the footage or how I made this page is not there. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about it because it's a sore point for me. So I thought I'd show you how I used my kit and how the page turned out. And actually, you know, I love it. I love the pink. So I covered the sides with one of the paper from the kit and used my punch to create this little scallop lacy thing. But actually I ended up covering most of them, but it's not, I don't mind it, because actually what it did is that it kind of like made things tie up. I've created like a full Polaroid thing with our photographs, with, you know, leaving that little that kind of like wider bit at the bottom, using the kit papers as well, and I also cut this little journal card type thing from the zine, and kind of like fussy cut and just kind of like made it a little bit smaller so it fits there. I don't think I wanted the square. I wanted like really shapy things just for texture. I've used the cut apart washi strips or paper washi strips from the kit, and kind of like created this little cluster over here, used some of the words here, and I've fussy cut the arrow. Used some of the cut apart card sticker, and then I've used that the paper clip that was included in the kit. I did say I did use the sketch from the zine as an inspiration. It's not as like true to what the sketch is, but I've added elements that is similar to the sketch. As I said, inspired. Used one of these stickers, and then what I did for my journaling, I want to hide it. I don't want to make it too busy because it's already busy. I've swapped the cards apart, so the dark pink is in the light pink and the light pink is in the dark pink, and then that's where I used that's where I did my journaling, so it's quite hidden there, and kind of like see like our story there. That's the journaling. And then I tore a little bit of the fabric that was included in the kit and made a tab with it. And the charm that is also included in the kit, I used this little ball pin from my stash and actually hanged it in there. So happy how this turned out. It just tied in with what we were wearing. I was wearing pink there, and he's wearing red, but there's some elements of red, and he was wearing blue. I think that was white. This is an old photograph that I reproduced. Again, this was a pink top. I remember that this was my favorite top when I was a child, and we were both wearing blue this time. Please excuse my hair. I think this is the day that I arrived, or the day after I arrived. I was still jet lagged. But yeah, I love it. A story about my cousin, who's like my brother, is in here, and I love him forever. Yeah, so that's how I used my kit. So the beauty of this, when you close it, ta-da! It hangs there, and that is so sweet. It's just there, it's hanging there. Can you see that? Yeah. So yeah, I am so sorry about that. I'm really slacking, and also my skills in video recording and uploading has gone downhill. The academia has taken over it. But yeah, I'm hoping that you like this, what I've shared. You like my page as much as I do. But yeah, I will try my best to keep posting in between coursework. And yeah, I do miss it though, guys. I do miss it. But it's a few more months. A few more months of hard work. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and have a great weekend. And I'll see you soon.